Hey, good day everyone. Check out this video light kit I have here. Let's check this thing out together. Here's everything that came in the box. So the tripods here fold up like that. Come all the way down like that. You can lock them in there. Looks like you got 3 different adjustments on here. So you can go really high or you can go really low. So that's the tripod portion. And then here's the light portion. So it's got a USB right on the end of this. Right here, you get all your light adjustments right here. And then these can go on the tripod too. They just thread right on there. So that thread will match this right here. So it's nice also that you get 2 lights. Really happy about that. And then this here, you can put this around the tripod and this will hold your phone or your camera. Go ahead and take this tripod here, fold it out, and sit it all the way flat. Give a little height like that. Narrow the base up a little bit. Loosen up all 3, see how high this thing goes. There's the first one. There's the second one. And the third one. Pretty nice. Very manageable too. There's the light itself. Take the little tie off of there. Now I'll go ahead and take this and thread it right on there. So I'll just hold this up there like that. And then you can spin the threaded portion here. So you don't have to sit and spin this thing. That now, so you can adjust where you want this as well. Take this and plug it into the USB socket. Off, on, and then you can lower the light, dim it. There's a minus sign on here. Now I'll go ahead and push the plus sign up all the way. See how bright we can get it. Okay, that's nice. There's another button on here that, oh, okay, so that's a different color lights. Got some yellow, white, some bluer light. There's the different options. And off. Yeah, so overall, really happy with this. This is gonna really help step up my lighting game. Especially if you get a couple of them going. You can also lay them on the ground for some ground lights too, so. All right, really happy with these.